now having given you an ample proof that artificial intelligence will take human labor, I hope my now short-sighted opponent, they will agree that artificial intelligence will definitely lead to mass unemployment. Thank you.
But I would like to change the perspective of the opposition bench and let them see that the world is bigger than what the ant sees. For the ant, it's just collecting food and going back to its burrow. But we are humans, we need to see beyond it.
Hak arpo terunaitung arja arpo ka Meghalaya College Teachers Association kalapan long ya kejengya kop terku kabla ainam RR Thomas Inter-College Debate Competition halor kapang artificial intelligence will lead to mass unemployment ni kejeng penon kam ya ke teknologi kan penduk kam ya ki babun balang ya kani kejengya kop terku lapan long ha conference hall jong St. Anthony's College. Lasdai program da kajing krant yang buram na Sir SK Pradhan, i President ka MCTA SAC unit, but board da kajing yang buram da i President ka MCTA Dr. BH Buam, ya kinong bishar ki pakantop ya Dr. J. Oscar Dhar, but inong hikay Monda Kini Basu, ibada inong hikay balasong tat na ka English Department jong ka St. Anthony's College, but yaw nong paniya ya kani kajing ya kopter ko ubada Tarun Bhartia. Lapan ya ka program da inong hikay Jerwa na English Department jong ka St. Anthony's College. Hak jengya don lang kinong hikay kisamla puli na ki college repair jong kanong ba pat kiway. Habakran mat pang hakani kaski na kalyang Dr. BH Buam ila ong ba kajingbu ya kani kapang banyatay bat ya thir kalong ban sunget ya ka aka ka bawandra da ki bor ki kor Saian Henry ban panyari ka rukom perkhat perdan beriu bar ila buru kajingkeli bakum hakani kejok magjingkiu ki bor ki kor Saian ka stat hadu kata hatu kini kila sisan banya bujlipat ya ka jabing beriu ka bala thau do blai
use the word that mimicking the human intelligence. Now the question that arises is, can a human mind and a human intelligence be replaced? There are threats that, what will happen to each one of us? What will happen to the human resources? What will happen to the young ones? That is one perception that is just circulating. There is another thing, the theme here, which says it will lead to mass unemployment. The reason is there is a propaganda or there is a statement of a fact that, AI will take on, it will throw away, it will take on the jobs. But that is why we are in for a very interesting debate. And also, the points that you will be sharing, you will be articulating, will be insightful for each one of us. I do not know whether it's a winning motion or a losing motion, but the fact I know is that our children will stand here, will articulate their thoughts, their perception, to also showcase that argumentative mind. And on that note, I wish you all the best, and for each one of us here, let us be audience who listen patiently, because we have something to take away when we leave this hall. So the motion, artificial intelligence, will lead to mass unemployment. Thank you.
Lawan ya benda hakani gejia kop daki samla Naki College jong kanong ba ki bakantop ya ka St. Anthony's College, ka St. Edmund's College, Shillong College, Synod College, Women's College, St. Mary's College, but BBS College. Hadian kejinga tay ka basong syet bah pedang kisamla puli ki bele benta hakani kejia kop terko layo ra ikanam la do da kasamla Theodora Pingrove but Ridhi Sharma na St. Anthony's College but both haka first runners up da I por babhab marbo but imon mami dekhar na Shillong Commerce College ya ka second runners up layo ra do Saurav Timsina but Shakshi Bujel na Buddha Bhanu Saraswati but ya ka nam best speaker ne unongkran ba penatam layo ra da Shakshi Bujel na BBS College. Lapan kot ya kena program da kikan tin ai kuble ya baro ke pala wania benta dai way na kinong hikai ka college is Sir David Marbania.
College students is a very important theme. It's always on our minds. And we all know that the the popular choices for employment. You can either be a doctor or an engineer. You can be a lawyer. You can perhaps, if those don't work, get a government job. And if things get really desperate, become a college teacher. That's just a joke. I'm so sorry. I had to do that. It's being helped by the MCTA. It's just a little dig at you. I have lots of respect for college teachers. I'd just like to make that clear. But coming to artificial intelligence, AI has been in our collective consciousness for quite some time. But the truth is,
like the founder of Alibaba, Jack Ma, he once said that artificial intelligence was going to kill jobs because in the future, these jobs will be done by machine. There is a possibilities because of this, that millions of people, they will face unemployment in the next few decades. Now having given you an ample proof that artificial intelligence will take human labor, I hope my now short-sighted opponent, they will agree that artificial intelligence will definitely lead to mass unemployment. Thank you.
So, because of that, a NIPAL scheme, Order of Duty scheme, has been released, which is only for 4 years for any citizens of India. They can join the scheme for 4 years, and it will include less salary, no pension, and they can buy and invest in many AI technologies coming forward in the world. So that is all from me. Thank you.
We will have no jobs. Why is this fear-mongering kind of a situation presented by the opposition bench? I will not raise my voice, respected speaker, and I will not create a situation like this to put forward my point, but I would like to change the perspective of the opposition bench and let them see that the world is bigger than what the ant sees. For the ant, it's just collecting food and going back to its burrow. But we are humans, we need to see beyond it. A caveman, let's start from the early human beings. A caveman thought that, what would a caveman know about career? What would a caveman know about artificial intelligence? As we progressed from a caveman to a hunter-gatherer, then to a pasturer, and then to a farmer, industrialist, now we are the ones developing artificial intelligence. This is just the tip of the iceberg. This is just the tip of the iceberg. We look at the smaller picture and we are terrified, oh my God, what will happen if artificial intelligence takes over us? Let me remind you, 20-30 years ago, we, in such a room, there were a group of people discussing what will happen when computers take over us. They were terrified. Computers will come over and we will be left jobless. Calculators will be used. All these things will be, they will replace us. I want to ask, has the computer replaced human beings yet? They have. To be done by human beings. We have to go beyond that. We have to look at the different layers of intellect that we have, and now is the time. Now is the time to look beyond all these menial jobs of working like a calculator, going to job and earning money and everything else. Imperishable. We have a natural intelligence given to us by the God. Look at the world around you. It is the natural intelligence. And intelligence that has been given to us to use it. Humans will always be superior to artificial intelligence. I take my stance. Thank you, Speaker.